Welcome ladies, it's your friend acupuncturist Anita Tatabarthi. I want to discuss with you today reasons why I'm seeing in clinic why fertility is more and more of a concern. What I'm noticing in clinic is that we are having trouble with building the uterine lining, so that implementation is having a more difficult time from happening. So in this video, I want to share with you something simple you can do, whether you want to conceive naturally, or you're going through IUI or IVF, or you're going through an embryo transfer. Any of these reasons, right? So up until you want to conceive, you can do this simple acupressure technique. And before I get into this acupressure technique, I want to explain to you why acupuncture works for implementation of an embryo to the uterine wall. Acupuncture works on the premise of bringing blood flow to various parts of the body through mirror images. We see these mirror images all throughout the body, and we need to use these mirror images strategically and intelligently to bring the blood flow we desire at the time to help us. So in Chinese medicine, there is a mirror image of the uterus right on the lower aspect of the palm on both hands. So if you are wanting to conceive, and in addition to wanting to conceive, you're wanting implementation to happening to a rich uterine wall, whether you want it naturally or you're going through IUI, IVF, or embryo transfer, what you're going to do for me is every morning and evening for a couple of minutes, you can lay in bed or while you watch TV or while you're in a meeting, I want you to simply massage your fingers like this. And you're going to do this for me till you have that embryo transfer or till you get pregnant. And when you become pregnant, I want you to stop. And what this does is that it brings blood flow to the uterine wall so that it becomes rich in its lining, so that implementation of the embryo can naturally happen. The key is from the moment you want to become pregnant, I want you to simply rub your fingers together for a few minutes in the morning and the evening. And after you have your embryo transfer or till you know you're pregnant, then after that point, simply stop. And of course, work with your doctor. I am one person on your team, but you need your doctor because they have your full health history and they can help you along the way. I'm just simply here on YouTube. So work with your doctor and keep this tip in mind, and I wish you all the very best on your fertility journey from your acupuncturist friend, Anita Tatabarthi.